In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo payment cancelled automatically. So I have in here this Reddit thread wherein a user has the same problem. Venmo canceled their payment and we have the same issue with this. So let's head over and see what the fix with this. So the fix with this is getting the same option and seeing if this actually happens. So what you can do is you can head over and call Venmo, follow up as much as possible in order to make sure that they actually fix the payment that has been cancelled right there. So there's actually a lot of scamming that's actually going on right now, so you need to be vigilant with that as well. You also need to call your bank to see if everything is all right to be there or if there's any suspicious activity that's happening. And if it's actually been paid, you can head over and then file a dispute if there's an unauthorized transaction happening from there. The payment has been cancelled automatically. That will be a relief because that means that the transaction will not go through. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.